This is really insane. In fact, Shiba Inu may soon eliminate all zeros. The Shiba Inu crew made a huge discovery. Everything changed today. Nobody anticipated this. New signals are now being dropped by analysts. However, what is really taking place, and what's causing my excitement? Let me clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. For the Shiba Inu community, it is a momentous day. Shiba Inu has finally escaped its downward trend and is displaying its power after what seemed like an interminable battle. The price remained stable and even increased by 3%, as opposed to falling as it had in the last several days. Confidence is coming back, and the momentum is changing. Shiba Inu seem to be struggling to find a break for a time, as seen by their daily decline. But something changed in the last few days. As the selling pressure subsided, Shiba Inu began to rise rather than fall. Holders have been looking for indications that the worst may be behind them and that better times may be coming. In the grand scheme of things, Shiba Inu has stabilized, which is significant. The community benefits from this kind of pricing activity, which also shows that the market is regaining equilibrium. Investors who were previously apprehensive are now far more comfortable making decisions as the uncertainty subsides. It's a change in mood, not just a little bounce, and it may be the beginning of something more significant. The problem is that major players are stepping up. For Shiba Inu, the return of the whales is a game changer. There has been a discernible change in the way that investors see Shiba Inu lately. Once again, long-term holders, those who typically wait for the major moves, are turning up. Addresses that have had Shiba Inu for more than a year have increased dramatically, according to on-chain statistics. That statistic isn't just arbitrary. Smart money is preparing for what may be the next great wave, and it's a clear indication that confidence is rising again. On the charts, Shiba Inu is also developing a significant pattern that traders keep a careful eye on. Push over a crucial resistance level, it may cause a powerful response that would break the current downward trend. This kind of arrangement is not a coincidence. It often indicates that a significant event is about to happen. The reality that whales are once again accumulating makes a strong signal, despite the fact that the short-term price movement still includes ups and downs. It demonstrates a renewed faith in the long-term potential of Shiba Inu. We may be looking at a location if this consistent buildup keeps up. Shiba Inu is laying the groundwork for a potentially thrilling breakthrough. But hold on, you'll want to hear about something much more significant that's taking place today. A significant step is being taken by Satoshi Kusama and the Shiba Inu team in the direction of something enormous that will eliminate all zeros from the Shiba Inu pricing. You heard correctly, all zeros are gone. This has the potential to revolutionize the ecology as a whole. Are you curious? I'll tell you everything later in the video, so stay tuned. But did you know first? Trillions of Shiba Inu coins remain profitable despite the recent sluggish market fluctuations. A staggering 123 trillion Shiba Inu coins are still lucrative despite all the ups and downs. That is a sizable portion of the whole supply, demonstrating that a sizable portion of investors are still profitable. Despite the general market volatility, investors continue to have faith in Shiba Inu, as shown by the fact that the entire value of these lucrative tokens is well over $1 billion. As a result of some investors waiting for the ideal time to act, trade activity has somewhat slowed down recently. On-chain statistics, however, indicates that a significant percentage of Shiba Inu coins are now losing money. They are out of the money since more than 827 trillion coins were purchased at a price greater than what we are witnessing now. Here's the intriguing bit, however. With the correct market push, the 34 trillion tokens that are now trading at or around their initial purchase price may easily turn a profit. An intriguing picture is painted by all of this. A significant portion of Shiba Inu are still lucrative despite some market hesitancy. The fact that a large number of holders are still holding strong indicates that there is still faith in the token's long-term prospects. Shiba Inu may be preparing for its next major move as whale buildup is increasing and a possible breakout is approaching. The most absurd portion comes next. Do you recall how Satoshi Kusama inflated the concept of a Shiba Inu exchange-traded fund? He clarified that Shiba Inu is now one step closer to bringing the Shiba Inu ETF to market with the approval of Ethereum's ETF. That was already really big news. The Shiba Inu crew is now taking over to clarify why this is necessary. The group has made a compelling argument for why Shiba Inu is ideal for an exchange-traded fund. It is among the largest and most well-known cryptocurrencies available on the market to start. No asset management has applied for a Shiba Inu ETF in the United States, despite the breed's phenomenal popularity and rapid expansion. Not yet. It's triggered a movement in the community, and there is more pressure than ever to make it happen. At the vanguard of this is Lucy, the marketing head for Shiba Inu, who explains the precise rationale for an ETF. There are Shiba Inu everywhere. It may be traded throughout hundreds of different pairings and is listed on more than 100 exchanges. Large financial institutions specifically search for such kind of liquidity and accessibility when evaluating ETFs. Being simple to exchange isn't the only factor, however. It is a fully functional, long-lasting, decentralized ecosystem. For conventional investors, particularly those in their latter years who seek for long-term investments, that is a crucial consideration. In contrast to manipulable low-cap currencies, Shiba Inu is robust, powerful, and much too large for any one organization to manage. This is when things start to become pretty fascinating. The creation of a Shiba Inu ETF has the potential to revolutionize the market. This kind of development has the potential to eliminate zeros, raise prices to unprecedented heights, and fundamentally alter the market. For those who persevere, we're talking about tangible, transformative advantages. The momentum is increasing, and the likelihood of acceptance is now more favorable than ever because authorities have acknowledged that meme coins are not securities. This is just the start. Shiba Inu is on the brink of something enormous, and those who have faith in it from the beginning may find that their patience pays off in ways they never could have predicted. And because one expert said that we would see something amazing when the Shiba Inu ETF launches, this might occur sooner rather than later. We're discussing eliminating even more zeros from the cost, which has the potential to completely alter the market. According to renowned market researcher CryptoSat, Shiba Inu is exhibiting clear indications of a recovery. They claim that Shiba Inu is approaching a crucial breakout zone and that a huge rally may occur if momentum increases. The current state of the charts often indicates a change from a faltering market to a booming upswing. This is where it becomes even more bizarre, however. Shiba Inu are becoming more well known in the business and political spheres. There are even rumors that it may end up in Donald Trump's cryptocurrency holdings, which would greatly increase its legitimacy in the eyes of the general public. Furthermore, there is more to the Shiba Inu society than merely waiting around. They are aggressively working to make the ETF a reality. There is a need for big companies like BlackRock to intervene and make this a reality. This is more than a dream now. It is turning into a movement. A Shiba Inu ETF has the potential to revolutionize the market by attracting a fresh wave of demand and facilitating the token's accessibility for conventional investors. And let's just say that the early believers may be in for a really transformative experience when that occurs. And it's become more obvious as we turn to the future. Shiba Inu is on the verge of something significant. It's more than simply a passing fad or buzz. It's a burgeoning force in the crypto realm, a movement. Lucy, the chief marketing for Shiba Inu, put it simply. There are easily available cryptos. It's as simple as it gets to buy, sell, and trade. Does Shiba Inu make a good ETF, then? Of course, and would conventional investors, who typically only invest in equities and blue-chip assets, really think about making an investment in something that began as a meme? Yes, because Shiba Inu are more than just memes these days. It is long-lasting, decentralized, and supported by a robust community. For this reason, a Shiba Inu ETF is being pushed by a lot of individuals. It is complete enough to be regarded seriously. A solid base of holders, liquidity, and accessibility are all factors that major financial institutions consider. And once such recognition is given to Shiba Inu, things may alter in a manner that has never been seen before. Shiba Inu began as a playful experiment, but is now demonstrating to the world that it has a place in the financial industry of the future. And we could see history being made if this ATF materializes. However, what do you think of this? Leave a comment below. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.